there's a lot of storage space under here. And if you're traveling on a long voyage and you just need a little bit of quiet time away from your cabin mate, I can highly recommend under the bed. Well, welcome aboard the beautiful Carnival Luminosa. And as you can see, Southeast Queensland has absolutely turned the weather on for us. It hasn't stopped raining since we got here. We are in cabin 4244. It is a balcony cabin. And if you know anything about Luminosa, it used to be a Costa ship, and you can still see some memories of it with the yellow up there. So we have a massive deck. This is one of the things that really stood out to me. I just came off Celebrity Reflection and the deck space was literally half of this. So you've got a lot of space. You could literally fit full-length lounges there. So let's head on in and have a look at our home for the next 3 nights. Now what I noticed as soon as I walked into this cabin was the sense of space. And I think it's because they have taken away, well, I'm not sure if it was there in the first place, but usually there's a coffee table sitting there. So you walk in and there's no obstruction, there's loads of space. The other thing that I noticed also is the amount of under bench storage. So you'll notice on other ships there's a lot of built-in shelving up here, but by taking it and putting it down underneath the bench, it makes it feel a lot more open up here. So let's have a look and see what is under the bench. We have what is generally called a refrigerator. These on board are generally a cooler. It will keep things cool, it won't cool things down. So always ask your room steward for a bucket of ice if you need to chill anything. We've also got a cupboard here and some shelves. Over behind you, you've got your bedsides. And one of the great things about this cabin in particular, have a look here, 4 USBs on the bedside. That literally takes care of every charging need. Back over here on the bench, you've got a US plug point and an Australian plug point. And we have the seating area here. Rubbish bin, you can do your makeup here or do some work here. You also have a drawer. Inside is the laundry list. We will put that and all the menus and spa into a separate video so you know all the pricing on board. And then you've got your drawer space. Hair dryer. A lot of people prefer to bring their own hair dryer because these ones don't generally have a lot of oomph. And just another 3 drawers there, similar size. Now this is actually a 3-berth cabin. So these will pull aside and that'll be another single bed. But let me show you, if we're going to talk storage, let's talk storage. Come on down. Oh, that one doesn't open. This one does though. I bet I could get that open, but I won't. Now, if we have a look at more storage here, we have the shelving and also the safe, a full-length mirror so you can admire yourself. Just across from that, you've also got your heating and cooling. And then in here we have your hanging space. And your 3 life jackets and some more hanging space. Now, when I was on Carnival Splendor, I saw Andy, the cruise director, his opening address. It was hilarious. He was talking about when you get on a cruise ship and everything's so big, you're like, wow, wow. And then you get to the bathroom and you go, hang on, what happened in here? But to be honest, it's actually quite a practical bathroom. It's a very similar size to Carnival Splendor. You have your soap dispenser here. You have your karaoke, shower karaoke if you like. You've also got your clothesline. And if you are traveling solo, don't worry, you will not feel alone once this shower curtain wraps itself around you when you're wet. That's one of Andy's jokes. You can use it too if you like. Okay, we have the toilet. I'm just going to take a seat here while we have a look at lots of really good storage space here. More than enough for the two of us. Also, if you're optically challenged like me, you've got your magnifying mirror. But since our last video, I got contacts, so I'm pretty good. So I hope that you have enjoyed the tour of our balcony stateroom on Carnival Luminosa. We cannot wait to share this entire ship with you. So thanks for watching and happy cruising. But wait, there's more. Let's look under the bed. Because we have to know what we're dealing with storage, right? Oh, that's actually really high. That's a lot of space. And remarkably clean. To be honest, I've seen a lot of dusty cabins lately, so that is quite refreshing. You know how I said there was a lot of storage space under here? There's a lot of storage space under here. And if you're traveling on a long voyage and you just need a little bit of quiet time away from your cabin mate, I can highly recommend under the bed. There's so much space in here. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please give us a like and subscribe if it has, and share it with anyone you think it will help, or anyone who's cruising on Carnival Luminosa soon. You can check out some of our other videos here. But in the meantime, happy cruising.